Ray Solano from Solano Mobility and Accessibility. If you should have this abnormal jerking noise that comes from putting your power chair on your Harmar lifter, could be a very simple fix. This is what you're going to do. You're going to come down here to this roller. What it is this roller is dry and it needs grease. So you're going to just grease this pin. Okay, this pin is very easy to remove. It has a little apparatus on the back. You push it down and you pull it out. I used a needle nose. Here, let me do it. Let's see if I can grab it. You just got to get it right. Oh, you can even push it with your hand. I'm doing it with my finger. Trying to get it out. You got to push it down. It's really a neat device. You pull it out and you're going to put grease on this shaft. I already put Mobil 1 on it. I put Mobil 1. We're going to put it back. Don't grease the outside of it, just the inside. Okay? So we're going to put this back. And here, there's that little clip. You just push it in and out. It's really a nice product. And it stays in place, and that fixes your problem. This way you don't have to change the springs, because if you have to change the springs, it's a lot of work. If you have any questions, you could call me anytime at my business at 800-986-5091. That's 800-986-5091. And I'm at extension 1 because I'm number 1.